Hello YouTube, this is the first video of the Shop Your Stash collab with Leslie. I'm very late getting it up today. That's family life for you. I've got my youngest that'd like to say hello.
Hello.
That's Elizabeth, she's my youngest. And I'm just going to show you what I've quickly put together.
Can I do it?
Because, yeah, you can stand here while I do it. So, this is well, I'll tell you what, I'll pass you them as I've shown them, yeah? So this, I'm putting together a summer kit that I will use over summer, because that will probably be the next topic in the craft groups next month.
Yeah.
So I've pulled out my stamps. Do you want to hold that?
Yeah.
That I think I'll be using.
It's more stamps you didn't know.
There are more stamps. And
More stamps.
more stamps.
I don't know. My mum has a lot of stamps.
Words as well.
Yeah.
Some flourishes and some more stamps.
Yeah.
There we go. Do you want to go and put them in Mum's craft room? And then the next thing is I'll go through and pick some washi samples out as well. Oh, my husband's joining in now. Hello. So
These little tips will say.
then I'll pick my washi tapes out. I'm not in the craft room today. I've just pulled it all on here because this is better lighting, because we've got quite a big window in here.
Yeah, the
Um,
Yeah, it needs cleaning, but there you
No,
go.
it needs cleaning. But it's better lighting with it going dark. There's two more washi tapes.
Yes,
Because I can always go through all my washi tapes anyway, but I'll pull out what I think I'll definitely
Yeah, that's what my mum
need.
say. Yeah.
So I'll
can't
definitely do
pick.
pink, purple
Yeah.
and blue.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Say it's blue then.
and that's blue. Would you like to go and put them all back in Mummy's craft room now?
I'm videoing.
You are videoing. And then I will look at what dies and punches I've got. Not really the punches, because they're just too bulky to try and keep all together.
Tyler.
Are you going to say hello again?
Hello.
So they're punches, but the dies I always try and sort out to go in the kit. So I've got some sea creature dies there.
Yeah.
The word summer. I've got different flower, butterfly dies that I will definitely use. I've got shell as well. I've got another shell. I've got some birds that I'll probably use. Flamingo and dragonfly. Those will be. Go and put them in Mummy's craft room then, please, sweetheart. I know you're doing lots and lots and lots.
Mum,
Then-
can I tie this up there?
Yeah, there you go. You can see the paper bag. No, there's cameras facing the opposite way. So then we have the paper pads that I know I'll definitely use in the
that's
summer
what I
kit.
meant.
So I've got flowers,
Yeah, they say the
quite
all
bright
flowers.
colours.
The all flowers
These are quite bright colours as well.
They're lately flowers.
And this one as well.
Yep.
But for summer I do tend to do quite a lot of florals.
Yeah, we always do.
Then I'll go through what stamped images I've already stamped out. So I've got these in a variety of colours, these flowers, to make my own, I can never say the word.
My mum say
I've got, that's it, put them all back in the craft room when I've done.
the orange flowers.
These are words printed out, and another load of words. There's some more stamped images. And this is
Can I
the folder.
say something now?
What would you like to say?
So, remember, my mum say has a lot of things.
Mum has a lot of things.
Yeah, I just put them in, so
Okay,
I'm videoing them.
you are videoing. Would you like to go and put them back in the
So,
craft
you
room?
know,
sweetheart?
can I just tie the
So,
floor
and then I'll go through
this
what
way?
I've sort
Hello,
what.
this way.
No, Lizzie, because I want this done. What I've sort of done before. So
Yeah,
I've got
this
a
is
folder
mine.
here with more stamped images in, and some tags that I've made up, and more papers. There we go. And more papers and more digi stamps that are either free or that I've brought from Etsy will be in here as well. No, I can't turn it that way, darling, because I'm nearly done. So that's all different things as well. And then lastly, I will do my sequin mixes, but I won't pull any sequins out. All on my desk, please, darling. I won't pull all my sequins out or seed beads to make sequin mixes with. I will do that as and when. I won't prepare any of that or try and get that together. Now, as much as I can, what I do is, as you see, I've used it before. What I do is, there's some stamped images still in there, but I will get as much of the dies, stamps and other papers in here to all keep together, and obviously the 12 by 12.
Mummy,
what, darling?
when you were finished, are we doing in the lounge?
We're not videoing in the lounge, no. So I'll fit as much as I can in there. Obviously the 12 by 12 pads won't fit in there, and the punches won't fit in there. That's why I don't really get the punches ready, and I don't really get the sequins ready or buttons or stuff like that, or twine. Right, I hope that's given somebody inspiration to put their own kit together. I'm really sorry, but like I say, that's life, family life. The kids are home from school, the husband's off work, and it's noisy. So I hope you could hear me. Thank you and goodbye.
No.
Say bye-bye.
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 I love you.
I love you. Oh, bless you. Right, thanks. Bye-bye.